Humanity has toppled many records over the past few decades. Nevertheless, our potential is bound by certain scientific principles, and some things are just not possible, or almost impossible, to do. Let's check some facts about human abilities that may surprise you. Number 12. Fold paper 8 times. Mythbusters conducted an experiment and came up with a conclusion: even a very large, dry sheet of paper cannot be folded more than 7 times, and it was proven with A4 paper. Number 11. Bend your pinky without moving your ring finger. All the fingers are interconnected. They share flexor tendons that allow you to bend your fingers. If you try to bend one, another finger will bend along with it. Number 10. Do difficult tongue tricks. There is a belief that the ability to do different tongue tricks is the result of genetic inheritance. Rolling the tongue into a tube shape is often described as a dominant trait, and there are not very many people who can do it. Number 9. Wiggle your ears. Wiggling ears was useful in ancestral creatures, but it eventually became functionless. You need to use 3 muscles which are attached in front of, above, and behind the ears. Number 8. Fit your fist in your mouth. You need to have a very small fist and a big mouth. There is no need to go all out conducting research to compare the sizes of a fist and a mouth. Adult hands are usually between 15.2 centimeters and 27.9 centimeters, and a regular mouth is 7 centimeters. Number 7. Lick your elbow. You can only do this if you have a short upper arm combined with an abnormally long tongue. Plus, you need to be flexible. You can develop this ability, or just check to see if you have this rare talent. Number 6. Talking while breathing in. Chords are like a flute. To talk, you need air passing by them to make vibrations and sounds. You can still produce sounds while inhaling, but it sounds weird. Number 5. Swallow a spoonful of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains substances that trigger the gag reflex, and a large portion of it can cause this sensation in the mouth and throat. So it's better to not overdo it on top of your coffee. Number 4. Tickle yourself. Neurological scientists have pinpointed the cerebellum as the part of the brain that prevents us from self-tickling. This part of our brain can distinguish expected sensations from unexpected sensations. Number 3. Hold your own breath. You can't just pass out by holding your own breath. Oxygen is necessary for normal metabolic processes, and our sensory system is designed to measure CO2 levels and motivate breathing. When this level rises to a certain point, you feel the urge to breathe, and it forces the appropriate action. Number 2. Rotate your hands quickly at the same speed. We are not symmetrical beings, and this goes for our hands too. The right hand can be stronger than the left, so you might move it faster or make a bigger circle. Number 1. Break an egg holding its top and bottom. Nature was not playing around when it chose a spherical shape for eggs. When we push an egg with our fingers, the pressure is distributed over the entire surface of the egg. And if there is the same pressure on the whole egg, there is less tension on the shell. Can you do any of these things? Let us know in the comments below.